Played online at home instead. Nice one.
That's coming. Oh.
Don't, Eleanor. She's deliberately trying to stop things off his head.
The members only luxury lifestyle store. It's and full of inspirational products with many well-known luxury footwear brands.
I think about getting that for the Xmas.
Discount prices, but you are quick. Each issue
You just go on this one.
for 48 hours. To unlock an
The level I want to put on it is City Escape.
visit ashiba.com.
That'll be good. Oh, about the one with the wheel. That one. Wheel? No, City Escape from SOTV. Oh, that one. First level.
So much Tesco Express.
Right. Think I'm going to do them around right now?
It's going to have to be quick, because if you're not, I'm going to have to go through.
Oh, yes, get it. And Wallace. Go. Go first.
Oh.
Field.
Oh, typical, I missed that.
You've
Oh,
already
brilliant.
capacity for many things.
He jumped, that was fine.
The new Renault ZE.
Oh, Fergie, you plan. Oh, so cruel.
That cat is so numb.
Oh, but Rich, have you seen these?
Don't do them now.
I'm not just feeling it. Rich, don't feel it. It's like gel. Because it is gel. No, it's like proper chocolate, like this one.
You just broke a win.
Yeah. Sorry, Dad.
You know.
Yes, I am.
Have it now?
No, open the tape off the box.
I'll borrow that 'cause I can't find mine. I think so.
Magic chocolate. Magic chocolate.
Yours does too. Now it's time to make a
Didn't like these decorations, have you seen them?
an apple salad.
Oh.
I love squash salad.
Kids might have made that else.
That'll be nice.
Clean my hands properly.
What would be nice?
Okay, take it in a special cup. Yes. Okay, now this is just.
All the crisps that I like.
Okay, so
Rachel. Rose pop. Rachel.
and leave the sort of.
You get the shape of chocolate in it, yes?
Okay, the secret is to line the.
See what I mean? You just do the crocodile. Bunny.
You can do whatever shape you want.
What's going to happen? We're going to make a little smudge salmon mousse. Okay, Max, Arj, keep up with us now, please. The rest of everybody else in the country, keep up too. Push them down.
Where's my ear
Okay,
gone?
so it's almost like a little sort of.
Yeah, that was.
Was it ever there?
That
No,
was
it was off Nana.
It's that was.
It's off Nana, is it?
We used to have a brain, but what happened to that? I know.
Oh, cool.
Some creme fraiche, they'll give it the tartness as well for inside.
Can you pass me my mobile? It's going like the clappers. I think it's on table. It is on table.
Oh, we put so no.
Okay, now chop out a couple of pieces of salmon. Okay, now that's the whole.
Oh no, not good.
From there.
Ow, what the heck?
And then great, a little bit of.
Digital
It's a box. It's a pink box.
Stick a line in there and put a Raj. Oh, Raji!
Almost like a little sort of oniony flavour. Can you mix that for me, please? There. Thank you. Are you a big foodie?
Ow.
Ow. Chickens and
Favourite
niggles.
foods or what? What things are you eating?
I love smoked salmon, I love turkey, I love steak.
Sandy Taff, me present. I love it.
What don't you eat?
Would you go alive?
I'm not a big coconut fan. Oh, really?
Right, let's set a thing.
Trust me, no coconut.
Anna, Merry Christmas to my fab family and friends. Hope you have an enjoyable day. Love from Anna and Steve.
You've been pumping it at the gym.
Well, I work out.
Good man. Right.
See?
Right. Thank you.
All that face, guys?
Didn't know that was you.
Back of the spoon, okay, and push it down in a way that sort of almost fills up that cup. Just more than will be generous this Christmas.
Yeah, I know.
Now,
How do you turn it on?
shorts.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I can still fit into them.
I
Yeah,
bet
still
you
run
put
into
batteries
them.
in.
Yeah, have a walk
Well,
outside.
it looks really
And
cool.
ADM do 27. Do you remember Baywatch?
That's just Papa Tony.
I lived with you.
How you know? Hey! Got a video. We can have a look, as I said, properly later.
Oh yeah, he's coming. Dino's arriving shortly. Now, just push that in there.
Cotton bird.
Wow. Let's do another one.
Yeah, mine are pretty much nearly run out, so brilliant.
Good.
See, that is where my aim's gone.
The cigarette leaves, they're still in the fridge.
Better now, like.
You can't.
In the fridge.
I don't understand when you say that.
There's the family, when you see his family watching.
Obviously. Some salmon bits into the match prepared.
Oh no!
Oh no, what's happening?
They look good. Is Dad helping or is he sort of joking?
That's just, that's helping. That's just,
Sorry.
Helping to the acting
What is it?
Sorry.
No else, Rachel. Oh, Eddie.
Don't start drinking yet, please. Okay, good.
It's a bit like tea, but tea.
Why the heck do I want a hedgehog? I wonder why.
I wonder why.
How you doing? It was lost.
Could it be for when you're going to walking Devon home and that?
Really?
You don't know how to do it.
Could do that.
And go,
It's all about
Rachel,
them. You're absolutely right.
Rachel.
Arch, come on, wakey. Get them set in the place. If you walk behind, here's a very quick catch-up. The ideal Christmas starter, remember, carefully lined in small coffee cups with smoked salmon,
So glad you know me
cream
well.
cheese and creme fraiche,
Not gonna be colours like
with some
bright
horseradish,
pink.
lemon zest and sugar.
No. I had the grey one, like dusky grey, pink and white.
And fold the salmon over the top. Then to make sure the parcels hold together,
Are we going to try again? How is it? How is it?
later we'll
Come on.
finish the starter with a delicious
Thank you for afraid to. Don't blame him.
Okay, now
Thank
please
you,
put
I
the
dare.
kettle on. And during the ads, I want you to peel your pears and to chop the sprouts like this.
What is she talking about?
For the corner board and slice them in half. That way they stay together. In a minute,
I don't do it to order, he
with the
says.
hot. Okay, but first, here's a bit of
Oh, I hear person like this is like all sellotape, not.
Trust me, you do not want to get down rules. Take one.
Are you stopping now?
Oh, help.
My mouth?
I might need to go through.
Yeah, sorry about this.
Okay, Free. When you eat a paradisha, you eat everything. You need to know what you're ordering. So, I'm going to show you what parts of the animal are where.
There's
Isn't
something.
this what you're swinging on there?
Eh? What's it?
Parisha.
Isn't it what?
No dig.
I'm next to that.
It's the one you like.
When eating out in Argentina, it's important that when you go to the Parisha barbecue, you understand what comes from where on the animal, because they eat everything. So I'm going to show you where everything comes from.
Let's put a bit more. What's in the box of boot?
Yeah.
Sorry, look.
Oh, class. Clean.
This is perfect, isn't it?
Yep. Smile.
No! Oh my god.
Oh no. Oh.
Oh, you're brilliant. Oh. I think it's just good when things up in my mouth. And then real steak.
Oh. Oh, cat.
Mom, try.
Oh. Oh, class.
And now we love that you can see them in your